love someone, you don't stop. You don't stop thinking about them. You don't stop caring for them. You don't stop trusting them. You don't stop loving them. You just don't stop. Ever. Life will always challenge that love. And just when you've conquered one challenge,
Asik nga natot ni mga kapangas din niya doon. Lalo mo. Hato iyan ni Maragol.
life isn't perfect, and you cannot stop it from happening. You just have to live through it.
Sa ayang bala mo,
There is
nagkakalatak
no
na.
telling what will happen. No matter how much you prepare for the unexpected,
Wanya nyo pala matwaya.
you will always find a way to surprise me. This is the hardest thing I will ever have to do. Please bear with me.
Miyabe na rin tao na.
One other thing is, I knew that there were no words that can describe fully how Kuya Dale was as a person. Just how amazing he was. How loving.
Masura talaga niya.
As a son. As my brother.
Malaki stamp ang kahit.
Hindi ko siya pinili ng mga kapatid ko. But if I had the choice, siya lang pipiliin ko. I would choose him over and over again. He was a great teammate, but an even better friend. He was there for you. He made sure he was, even at your lowest point. Pag mahal ka niya, pinaramdam niya talaga na mahal ka niya.
Lalakwan dyan,
He
lalakwan.
really made you feel his love. I would imagine he would have been a great husband and dad too. Though his life was short,
Dali na ang tinakla.
Kuya's life,
Dali na ang tinakla.
until the very end,
Ah,
was filled with love.
dali na ah.
Loyalty,
Tapos mo.
trust, honor, joy, and wonder.
Hindi
These are all the words we live by. And yes, he may not be with us here today, but his legacy will remain with us forever. The greatest thing Kuya taught me, the greatest thing Kuya taught me about love is that love is staying. The love that conquers all is the love that stays through it all. Just as those we love never truly die.
Kanya nyo?
Kita ng baby, mati pagdagdagan. Pagpagahit na na. Oo,